Hey y'all, Sheree here, Gardening at Home with Sheree. Just wanted to stop by to share the current status of some of my hydroponic lettuce I'm growing indoors. I have 4 of these systems in action. They actually come with their own grow lights, but for now, since I haven't started all my seeds and I have plenty of space, I just put these on my grow rack so I can have everything contained in this one space for now. But once I go into full seed starting production, these will be moved out and their lighting systems will be attached. You can see these are their lighting systems up here for now, but they'll get attached and I will move those into my other area where I grow. And so yeah, anyway, I just wanted to share a quick update because I kept planning on making a video showing you guys how I sow seeds in this system, and I keep forgetting. I've just been harvesting and eating my food without sharing. So I have to do a harvest soon. I think this is the bullet romaine lettuce from Johnny's. It's gotten quite tall, so I'm going to cut all this inner part down and let that get a second grow on. This, I'm pretty sure, is the crisp mint. I have everything in my little journal. I think this is either the outrageous or the Merlot lettuce. And this is the other one. One of these is the outrageous and one of these is Merlot. Can't remember which is which. This is a beautiful one back here. This is a new variety I'm growing. Look at how that's curling over to form like its little bulb. And so yeah, lots of different varieties growing in here. Like I said, I have a total of 80 pods. And what I've been doing is kind of succession sowing so that they're not all big at the same time. So I have a bunch of empty ones where I need to, well, these are prepped to get fresh seed in. Some of them I have to take the sponges out and put fresh seed in. Here's kind of an intermediate phase. So I like using these systems because I don't have to sow all 80 at one time. I can kind of spread them out. I can replace them. Here's the second row of them. So you can see these are smaller than the upper ones. I have some seeds freshly started in here. I just did my watering, so I need to get that all cleaned up. But I remember that I should share. Look at how beautiful these are. I can't remember the names of these. Maybe these are Merlot down here. At some point, once I reset these, maybe I'll do a video sharing all the different lettuces. Some of these are new. Some of them are my favorites that I typically grow outside. But some of them are new varieties that I'm just testing to see how they do. And, you know, if I want to grow them outside this year. Some of these are from old seeds I was testing. So it's like all different kinds of reasons for growing these. But these are, that's beautiful. Let me see what lettuce that is, because that's so pretty. It's called the Flashy Butter Gem. That's the first time I'm growing that one. She's beautiful. She's definitely going to go outside. And so yeah, just wanted to share a quick update. And so the ones where I've already started and I put the seeds on, I got to put the domes on those. Then like I said, some of them are going to be replaced, and I'm going to just be re-sowing the same seeds over and over and over again in each spot. That's just, those are the 60 varieties that I'm just going to keep growing in here. And so after I do the second cutting, I replenish them. So some of these grow really, really fast. I mean, within like 30 days, I was able to harvest off of them. Some of them are a little bit slower growing. But yeah, I like these systems. They're kind of cracky style where there's no pump. So I'm not expending any extra electricity, and that works great for lettuce. You don't really need that. Lettuce also doesn't need a lot of like nutrients to grow very quickly. It's not a heavy feeder. So these are really ideal for these systems. And so yeah, I have some more systems that are very similar to this, but they do have a pump. I'm going to get those started up soon. I haven't started those yet. I've been growing so many microgreens that I haven't had the need to grow all the like full bulb lettuce, but I am getting more in the mood for this like lighter lettuce as I try to eat more and more salads. So yeah, I'm gonna get those set up, and I think I'll try to record that because those I'm gonna put some cabbages in, some like small Chinese cabbages, some bok choys, and some chard. And I've used that system to grow all those things before, and it works really great. I really like that system, so I'll share that. But yeah, all these different red ones, I'm really excited for those to get bigger so I can start cutting into those. Most of these I sowed 1 to 2 seeds. If it was an old seed packet, I put in a couple like this, and you can see seems like I got 3 plants in there. I'm not gonna pull anything out of that. They're gonna grow just fine. And that's just a good note for me to make, that those seeds are definitely very viable, even though they're several years old. But most of them I did try to just put 1 seed in there. Once this round of things that I'm putting in today germinate, maybe I'll come back and do another video and just share with you the different lettuces so you can see what they look like. But I think I love growing my own lettuces indoors. I like to get all the different colors and the nutrients and taste all the different flavors. It's definitely, I mean, you can get organic salad mixes relatively inexpensively in the store, but it's a fun thing for me to do during the winter. I have a little bit more control, and I do like to kind of pre-test seeds that I want to grow outdoors. All right, that's it for today. Bye.